That guy is in the truck. No. Yeah, look at that.
There's no way. Firefighters here trying to get people out.
You know your mom's not gonna be covered.
No, I have to. We're high. All right, we got him now.
Roswell flooding turns deadly as torrential rains pound New Mexico City. A powerful storm dumped record-breaking rains and dangerous flooding that killed one person Saturday night in Roswell, New Mexico, according to local authorities and weather reports. The Spring River overflowed its banks, causing what the National Weather Service in Albuquerque described as extreme flooding in downtown Roswell and throughout the southeastern New Mexico city of about 48,000 that is famous for an alleged UFO crash in 1947. Roswell received 5.78 inches of rain, the highest daily record on Saturday, October 19th, according to the National Weather Service in Albuquerque. The previous record was 5.65 inches set on November 1, 1901.